In this video, I will show you how to use multi-windows on Samsung One UI 7. To begin using multi-windows, tap on the three lines button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. This action will bring up a list of your recently used apps, allowing quick access to any app you wish to open in a separate window. Next, locate the app you want to use. Tap on its icon at the top of its card. A menu will appear. Select Open in pop-up view. Instantly, that app will launch in a resizable window, allowing you to interact with it while still having access to other applications. You can follow these steps for as many apps as you'd like. Each time you repeat this process, another application opens in its own window. This feature is perfect for chatting while browsing or taking notes during video calls. You can adjust these windows by dragging them from their corners, resize them according to your needs. Additionally, if you'd like to move a window around your screen, simply tap and hold on its title bar and drag it wherever you prefer. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.